Today we are making Fettuccine Alfredo, but the right way, the Italian way. This dish was invented in Rome in the 1914 and since then it's been replicated so many times. Today I'm gonna show you the traditional version. No garlic, no cream, no chicken, just grana padano cheese, fresh pasta and butter. Obviously the cheese is a very important part of the recipe and today I'm gonna be using a 28 months age grana padano cheese. This is gonna give us such a rich umami flavor to the final dish. You also need a good quality butter at room temperature and thinly sliced. Third and final ingredient, you wanna use fresh egg pasta, no dried. This will release more starch and will make the sauce even richer.
Cook it for 1 minute, drain it, and save some pasta water.
Now the most important part is the mantecatura, the final step. Mantecare means to make it creamy, to make it smooth. So in the same pot where we cook the pasta, we're gonna add the butter, the cooked pasta, and half of the cheese. Stir it all together until the cheese and the butter is well emulsified, and then we're gonna add the rest of the cheese. Stir everything again until super creamy and serve up. And to complement that richness of the pasta sauce, go with a nice glass of Prosecco. It is very simple, and in Italy we call this even pasta burro e formaggio, butter and cheese pasta, but it is truly delicious. Cheers.